What's going on YouTube? So today it's kind of special because the video that I'm posting today is something that I didn't create. It was actually my brother. Now I've been talking about how my brother's supposed to be coming to pick up the car. Well, he's out here, and today we've kind of put together a film. It's gonna be like a cinematic and also an update on where I am in fitness, how lean I am. I will say that I'm not as lean as I want to be. I definitely want to try to get as lean as possible. I'm running out of time, but right now it's just an update. Hope you guys enjoy it. He's really good. I feel like what he does, and he's just getting better and better. So you guys enjoy this video of this cinematic workout film. It has me and Rihanna, and just know that he's in the background recording this. So enjoy, guys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe as well.